Principle number 1. Setting smart objectives. One of the main principles of lesson planning is establishing clear objectives for your lesson. It is important that objectives are smart, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timed. If you set too difficult objectives for the students, they can become frustrated and lose motivation. However, if the objectives is too easy, the students may become bored. Bored and frustrated students can often cause discipline problems. You may find it useful to pair these 2 points in your mind when setting the lesson objectives. Number 1. What do the students already know? When you are planning to introduce completely a new language item, allow more time than if you are revising or extending a topic the students are already familiar with. Number 2, what do the students need to know? If the students are studying for an exam, for example, then you may need to focus on specific points than on general English. Adapt your objectives to suit your students' need. Principle number 2. Providing variety. Providing variety in the lesson is very important to keep the students engaged and interested. Repeating the same kinds of exercises can make students feel bored and less eager to work or study. So it's a good idea to try and vary the kinds of activities, materials, and interactions in each lesson. Principle number 3. Flexibility. Even if your plan is very well, you never actually know exactly what's going to happen in the class until it happens. Some exercises may take longer or shorter than anticipated. The students may be more or less interested in an activity than you imagined, and something unexpected may happen during the lesson. In these cases, sticking rigidly to the lesson plan may have a negative effect. Careful lesson planning is very important, but teachers need to be able to adapt their plan during the lesson to suit the circumstances. So it's a good idea when planning your lesson to consider extra or alternative exercises. Then, if your material runs short or you think the class might not respond well to a particular activity, you have something to fall back on. The teacher needs to be flexible enough to be able to modify the plan if such opportunities arise.